Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp dim sum. Start with the essential ingredients for delicious shrimp dim sum. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, finely chopped, along with crisp bamboo shoots and water chestnuts for texture. Don't forget your wonton wrappers, which are readily available at most grocery stores. A dash of sesame oil, a pinch of white pepper, and some grated ginger will elevate the flavors. This simple combination ensures a delightful and authentic taste. Now let's create that irresistible filling. First, finely chop about 3/4 of your shrimp, leaving the remaining 1/4 in slightly larger pieces for a satisfying bite. Mix these with your minced bamboo shoots and water chestnuts. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and a small pinch of sugar. Stir everything gently until well combined, ensuring all ingredients are evenly distributed. Time to wrap our delicious dim sum. Take a wonton wrapper and place about 1 teaspoon of the shrimp filling in the center. Moisten the edges with a little water, then fold and pleat to seal, forming a beautiful dumpling. You can create various shapes, but a simple half-moon works perfectly. Arrange them in a steamer basket, ensuring they don't touch. Steam for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the shrimp turns pink and the wrappers are translucent. Your homemade shrimp dim sum is ready to be enjoyed. Serve them piping hot with a side of soy sauce, chili oil, or a sweet and sour dipping sauce. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro or thinly sliced green onions adds a lovely finish. These delicate parcels are perfect for a light meal or as an appetizer. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.